Okay.
Right, yep.
Right. Flying above the clouds.
Flying above the clouds.
Start with that one with a view to... No, I'm not going to say it because every time I say that, I jinx it, don't I?
Okay, right.
All right.
All right.
It's left unsaid.
Right.
Not bad.
It wasn't bad.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
We're all notes, but...
Yeah, they're just small wee things. No, what's good was you're getting your patterns in your left hand a lot more securely through.
Right. Yeah.
So those, those broken chord patterns
Oh, yes.
that
Yeah.
you've been doing,
Yeah.
I think will help.
Right,
When
okay.
you get stuff like that
Right.
in your pieces, so
Yeah.
that's good. And melodies singing out nicely.
Yeah, I was quite pleased with that.
Yeah.
It's a nice piece. It sounds nice.
Yeah. Main thing would be just to try and keep that continuity across the bar line. So there's not quite so much sort of pausing here and there. Yep. But for the purposes of what we wanted it for, so it was the ledger lines, reading up high, your left hand reading in the treble clef, which was something unusual, and for a refresher on some pedal, that has served its purpose well.
Right. So we're tired.
It is.
Cool.
Done.
Right.
Woohoo. All right. Next one. Let's do
Test drive?
test drive. I was going to say driving force. That is a completely different piece
Driving force.
in a completely different book by a
Completely different person?
possibly a completely different person.
This is Pamela Wedgwood, this one.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So oh no, first finger there.
I'm there.
Keep my first and fifth fingers wrong.
Yes, it's that mirror.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now that there as well. Something's B flat. Right.
Cool. Good.
So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm sure you've
No,
done
that's
So
okay.
That's
okay.
So
Do you know what?
so
Let's head back to that bar. Yeah.
So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and
just
that's
go
not
here.
right.
A there.
Yeah.
Yep. That one.
Yeah. Oh, that's I'm doing it on the thumb. Second finger's poised over the B.
Oh, yeah, because you've had your second finger on your A.
So it's the second finger A.
So you had that pattern.
So there.
Yep.
Second finger's
And
on
then
A.
third finger's on your B flat. 3, 4.
Oh, maybe that's why it's not working for me then. Because I thought it's not as fluid as it is.
Right. Yeah. And then 2 is good for your A again.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try it with the proper finger and see where we go. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 5.
Yeah. And it's even easier because you just want to sit on your F and you're just tending to replay it again.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I can't get it right. When I can actually rest it, I don't. And when I need to play it, like over here, I don't.
Let's do that bit again. We're going to take it slower. So we're going to avoid any pausing on bar line.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Well, hang on, there's literal pause on the bar line, though. Because that goes across.
Yes, that's tied. We're going to go right back to the third bar and do it slower.
Down here, man?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we want to avoid, while you work out what's happening. I'm exaggerating.
Yeah, all right, okay.
Okay, so if we go about 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just try those 2 bars.
Right. So, we need to be there, don't we?
Yep.
So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2.
A flat in front of that pesky B. That's what we want. Lucky.
Right.
So if you think ahead for that, so you've got your thumb on your D, that's cool, and then you know your third finger's going to go to there.
Yeah.
Yep. You can sort of shortcut that, and then
So this is 5-8 position at the moment.
it is.
Okay.
Yep.
So going 1 and 2
and 2
and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
good.
1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and still had the break in the middle though.
Yes, but you didn't have it in there.
No.
So what I reckon you should do is practice in your 2 bar chunks. So that one, have a break, do your next one, and so on, have a break. And then you need to practice the bars which link the bits together. So you'd need to go.
So you said I practice those 2 together, then those 2 together, is that what you say?
Yep.
Right, so it's not those 2, then those 2.
No, at the moment, I would do like the little phrases. So I would do those 2, and then I would do those 2, and then I would do those 2, and then I would do those 2. And then you need to practice the overlap.
Yeah. I'm with it. Yep.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, so let's practice the second lot. So we'll do bar 5 and 6.
The second finger on C. Yeah, C.
That's it. Yep.
Yeah, third finger on
through there.
E. So that's
Cool.
And
just think about where you've got to go to for your left hand.
Well, I've got to go down to it's A.
That's A. Yep.
So it's fourth finger. Yeah, so we're good there.
Yeah, so you've got to skip. That's right.
And so we're good there as well. 5 finger. Except we need to go up to there.
Yeah. So just try that right hand bit.
So we're going to start 3 there.
Back to 5. Go.
Yeah,
Cool.
works.
Okay, let's put those two bars together.
So it's 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Good.
There's a pause in the middle.
I'd
Yeah.
probably still do it just a smidgen slower
Right. Okay.
to avoid pausing once more. So if we go
Okay. So there.
check that one. So if we go 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and yeah, like that speed.
Yeah.
I won't play.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
That's
Still didn't go right there.
Closer though. One will go like that, and then we'll do the other linking bars. So
Oh, sorry.
Yep. So the trick is to think of getting to your little finger from that C, because you're good with that pattern. That's all fine. Then think back up to 5.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Better. Yep. Cool. Okay. Now this is going to be slightly trickier because you're starting midway through a phrase, but let's come in on bar 4.
So
It's that B flat.
so it's
So you-
third finger on there.
Yep.
And presumably it is first finger on
And
there.
thumb your D.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so you're going to go straight into the syncopation. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now your left hands are not going to shift. 2's just right where you want it.
Yep.
But your right hand will. So your right hand's going to come down a step into that new position.
So the right hand's got to come down to where my
Just down.
down
Down
one.
one.
Right.
Yep.
So it's going to be 1 and 2
And
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4
and good. That's fine. Just doing those two bars. Good. We'll do that one more time. So thinking of your shift slightly ahead of time. Left hand's fine. It's going up a step.
So it's third finger on
So
there.
3 there. Yep.
And presumably thumb there. So
So
it's
just a little slower. So I'll count you in. 3 and 4 and 1
and
and
I have to play both notes. 1
1
and
and
2
2
and 3 and 4 and
1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Very good. Okay, cool. So now let's put those 4 bars together. So there through to there.
Right. So it's there.
And just think about that left hand pattern. So you've got your yeah, that's right. So it's like a little sequence. Goes down a third,
Yeah.
and then the next note down a third. And you don't have to shift, so
Yeah.
that's all
Okay.
good.
Can
Cool.
do that. Yeah.
Okay.
And so it's on there. 3 on
That's good.
1 and
And 2 and 3 and 4 and
1
and 2 and
3
now
and
think of that shift where you're right.
1 and
2 and 3
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and
close. Just missed the rhythm there, but continuity wise, better. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how I'd break down that bit.
Right.
2-bar chunk, 2-bar chunk, do the overlapping bit.
Right.
So you link them all together.
So I wouldn't do that one, that 2-bar chunk, that 2-bar chunk, that 2-bar chunk, that 2-bar chunk, and then all the way through and then come back and do the linking. You'd go do 2 bars, then link them together. So you essentially got 4 that work.
I think that's gonna help embed the whole sort of lot quicker. Yeah. Okay. So do 2 plus 2 plus the overlap, then 2 plus 2 plus the overlap. Yep.
And then presumably once I've got all those together, I then come back and stitch the 4s
then you can stitch the overlap of the 4s together. Yeah. That's right. Cool. Right. Yep. So it's very sort of weaving.
Oh, it's like Tetris.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Let's pick it up from bar 11.
Right.
Now, this is slightly more tricky with changing fingering in your left hand and that fingering for your right hand.
Okay. So. Stretch there, isn't there? So it's 1. That's right there. But that one's the problem. Yeah. Okay. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Yeah. So that's, apart from that 5 to 4, everything else is stretching there as well. Yeah.
So it's,
that's good. So 2,
4, stretch, then
stretch, then next row, stretch.
I said I got the wrong one, I got the thumb down there.
Yeah, because then you're going to run out of fingers to get down to the A.
So it's 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then basically you reverse it. So 2 again in the C.
5, 4.
Yep.
Right.
Cool. Okay. Let's, in fact, let's just do left hand separately as well there. So you've had your 2 for your B flat.
2, 3,
and then 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
cool.
4.
And just the second finger for that one.
2, 3, 4.
Go. Cool. Okay.
That's
all right.
That's I keep forgetting that, but got it that time though. Yeah.
Cool.
Right.
Okay. Let's put that bit together.
Right. So start with second finger on B. Second finger there.
Yep.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4
and
1 and 2
stretch it. 3 and stretch it. Cool.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and
2 and 3. Good. Keep going.
4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
That's okay.
then back to there.
And then you bunch up. Yep.
And 2 and 3 and something's wrong there.
Yeah. Just go up. 4. Yep.
Yes.
Go.
1 and 2
Please get a bit easier.
4 and 1. Something's wrong. What's wrong? Is that one?
That one. Yeah. In fact, there to there, right? They're all skips apart. So even the gap going from that one to that one is a skip.
Yeah.
So you can sort of map that through. Yep.
Okay.
Cool. Let's go straight in there.
So it's going to be that and that.
Good. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we go with F, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and...
Damn it, he says.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got to stretch 2 down to your F. Yeah, so think of that shape. It's a bit like sort of all the stretchy stuff up there. Yep.
So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Always missed that one. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and let's back to that again. So it's 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3.
Sorry. Covering up your piece.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
Right, yes. Key signatures. Bane of our existence, I tell you.
I know they're them. I'm looking at it and thinking, and I'm not registering
it. Yeah. Yep.
I know as soon as I play it. No, that.
Yeah. Well, that's half the battle. If you can hear it, that's something rather than sailing on by, going. So might have sounded a bit off. Not sure, really.
Bloody flat, I must hear.
Good. Okay. So So it's the fingering and there. Left hand's looking good. Just keep an eye on your fingering there too. But rhythmically, coordination-wise, that's all looking good. Okay, let's carry on. Next bit.
So it's D, and it's first one D.
Up a bit there. There we go.
5 and 3 on that now, aren't we? So it's
We
that.
are. Yep.
Oh, so it's that.
There. Yep.
So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ah, jumped in there, didn't I?
You came in a bit too soon.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, okay. All right. So we'll go back to hang on. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
Good. Yep. Behind the keys to help get you to the flat.
2 and 3
Good. And then 2 and 4 will be right where you want them.
1 and 2 and
Almost right where you want them.
you told me right where I was, so I just took your...
Oh, well, in anticipation.
I wasn't bothered to read it at that point. You said the right where I wanted, so I just pushed them.
Well, yeah. Sure.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 4 and 1 and
Straight down.
3 and 4 and...
Yes, and if you need to come down a bit out of those,
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
out of the
Yeah.
forest.
I think so. It's that.
Yep. And just start to bring your hand down. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. That's good. Cool. Okay. So for these guys, if you want to, on 27 and 28, you can just come down. So 5-3, 5-3-1. You could do it again.
I'm not following you.
So on there, we've got the fingering 4 and 2,
Yeah.
41, which is what you did.
Yeah.
If you want to, just keep that same 5-3, 5-3-1 pattern.
Oh, I see that I've been doing it at the top there.
Yeah, you can just bring your hand down one note, and you could keep doing it on those ones.
So it goes that.
Yep, and then just shift down.
still got the problem with the 4 and
yes, you will want to do 4 and 2 on those two.
So, got that right.
Yeah, yep.
And then we go.
Yeah. So if that's easier, and basically you're just keeping that.
Why was I doing it the other way? I wonder if
So you had that.
Right?
Yep.
That's wrong, isn't it? That's off by 1.
Yeah. It might be easy actually, because then you can shift down to that one possibly more kind of systematically if your little finger's playing the top note each time. So you can try that out. Maybe do 5-3 and 5-3-1 there.
Right.
And then basically it's just that shift.
Yeah, so we're doing that.
That. And then shift down.
That.
Yep.
That.
And shift down.
That.
Cool.
That's
that.
Yeah, that seems to work easier actually. Yeah.
Cool. And you could just do straight out sort of blocking like that rather than doing.
Oh, I see what you're saying, right.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
So I'm actually having to get to the chords a little faster.
Oh, yeah.
So when you come back to doing that, bags of time.
I'm with you, yep.
Yeah.
I understand now, right, yep.
Cool.
Okay, yep.
So that's the way you could speed up that.
Yeah.
But your left hand's nice because it's not doing any shifting in there. So it's all your right hand that's doing the shifting. Good. And then how about we do that bar and go to the second time bar?
But,
Because what happens there...
Oh, so it goes there and then straight, it stops there and goes straight to there.
On the second time.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's what the 2 means.
Yes, so that's that little repeat.
Oh, yeah.
So that heads back to whatever bar that is, 25.
Yeah.
And then you play it again until just before the first time bar. Then because you're on your second time, leave out that dude.
Do that one.
Go to your second time bar.
Right, okay.
And keep going. Yep.
Yeah, okay, right.
That's right. So let's do
So it's going to be
that's your
C sharp and
C sharp and your E.
so,
Something like that. Yep.
so it's that.
Cool. And that'll be your
Fourth finger.
fourth finger for your A.
Yeah. And then that's not going to change.
In fact, let's do 4 there. So you're already on it.
Right. In fact, I'm ordering both, aren't I? So I'm doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and.
So 1 and 2 and.
1. So it's 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Very good.
Then we're back up to 1 and 2.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then you go back and do the repeat, basically. So that.
Go back and do the repeat?
So
Just no repeat
this
sign,
no, this symbol here, the DS.
Oh, yeah?
And that symbol means you go back to that symbol. So
right
senior,
there.
yep.
Oh, yeah?
And you play up until
You get to
that
one.
symbol there. Then you shoot down to the coda,
Right.
which extends the piece a bit.
Well, it says quite a lot, doesn't it? 'Cause
Yeah, basically you've got to go through
there, you
that
get
bit
to
again.
there, you
get
do
to
the
there.
repeat. So then you go back to somewhere.
So you play through normally. You play right through to bar 32.
I do? Oh, you don't stop it. Oh, okay.
Then
No,
then
this
you
is
do that little repeat.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay.
Yep.
So through there, back
Yep.
to there.
Yep.
Then that brings you back through here.
Yeah.
You jump over that. You jump to
Second
here.
time bar.
Come into
Then you go,
here.
oh,
and then
that
you go
symbol
back to
there. That one, chicka, 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 boom, to there,
Yeah.
coda.
Ah, right.
Yes.
Okay.
Navigation.
All right. I think it's the first piece I've had a repeat before on something, but I think it's the first one I've had a complicated one like that.
Yeah. It's more involved there. Yep.
Right. Okay.
Cool.
The matter is focus on getting the notes right.
True. Yes. Priorities. Yep. But that's definitely coming. Yeah. Take it a little bit slower for the more complicated rhythms, and where you've got to do some brain power into fingering.
Yeah.
Give yourself fractionally more time to work out, especially in that first half, what's coming between the bars, so you avoid the pauses.
Right.
Yeah. And then in the top of the second page with that fingering, you just got to remember those stretches.
Yeah.
In the right hand.
Right.
That'll be the main thing there. And we'll have a new piece for next week.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in the meantime, I'll get my practice session devoted to 2 pieces.
Two pieces.
Right,
Yep.
yeah,
Yep.
okay.
And give you a bit more time for
time both. Yeah.
for those 2. Yep.
Okay,
Cool.
can do. All right.
Very
Thank you.
good.